Welcome to Queens, New York, where this $9 million sky mansion floats above the city with breathtaking 360-degree skyline views that'll make even Manhattan jealous. Step inside the grand living area, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, Italian marble floors, and sunlight that pours across every inch of this space. The chef's kitchen? It's a minimalist dream. Custom oak cabinetry, matte black fixtures, and a seamless island that overlooks the city below. The dining zone glows in golden hour light, perfect for hosting under the skyline, with a statement chandelier and wraparound windows framing every meal. The master suite feels like a private retreat. King-size bed, panoramic skyline views, and a quiet serenity 40 floors up. Step into the spa-style bath, freestanding soaking tub, heated marble floors, and views that turn every shower into a skyline moment. Even the guest suite screams luxury. Custom wood paneling, plush bedding, and glass doors that open to the balcony breeze. Outside, the private terrace wraps around the building, 360-degree panoramic views of Manhattan, the East River, and the endless New York skyline. And as the sun sets over the city, this $9 billion Queens condo reminds you luxury isn't about location, it's about elevation. Would you leave here if money wasn't an issue? Tell us in the comments.